Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this episode, I'll let you guys know the ways to turn off offline mode on Spotify. To do this, you'll have to first of all make sure to open up your Spotify application. After which, you'll be taken to the dashboard section. So from the dashboard, you want to go to home. As you press on it, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and after which you'll be able to see the settings. So underneath you'll be able to find playback. Just click on it, and here you'll be able to find the offline button. All you need to do is toggle the button, and as soon as you do it so, you've turned off offline mode successfully on your Spotify account. And likewise, what else you want to do is you could just exit out of your application and restart, and this way you'll have successfully turned off offline mode on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.